With a little stripy hat, sit the chair.
Oh, I don't know what.
You gotta find the guy with the striped hat and the glasses. No, twins. Let Madison look too.
Twins, sit down.
You gotta look close though.
Stripy hat, glasses.
He's got the hat, he's got the glasses, looks kind of like Harry Potter.
Is he green? Right there.
No.
Nope.
Right here.
No.
Right here?
No.
You gotta look.
Stripy hat and glasses.
What color?
Red and white.
Oh yeah, I remember him. Is he little or is he grown up?
No, you have to see.
This one.
Nope.
Holy moly. Awesome.
Did you find them, Maddie?
Where was he? You wanna do it again?
No.